Greetings, Blender enthusiasts. Today, we are ready to begin an exciting journey into the world of gaming. Are you excited about crafting engaging game characters, but not sure how to start? Dive into the complete game character tutorial series by Embark Games Studio, your go-to guide for character creation. This tutorial series covers creating a game-ready character using Blender for modeling, sculpting, and UV mapping. Substance Painter is used for texturing, then Blender for rigging, binding, and animating the character for Unity or Unreal game engines. The series offers detailed steps that are beginner-friendly. While some prior knowledge of Blender is suggested, intermediate techniques are also introduced to enhance skills in crafting game characters. The course establishes a solid groundwork for character creation, but may not delve into advanced methods. This comprehensive series offers 16 parts with over 9 hours of video demonstrations, accompanied by detailed PDF tutorial notes, totaling 234 pages. Starting files and assets are provided for each part, allowing flexible learning at your own pace and preference. This comprehensive course offers a structured journey into the world of 3D character creation, guiding you through each crucial step from start to finish. Starting with a basic cube with optimal edge flow, begin by creating a base mesh, and then incorporate armor and accessories to elevate the character design. In sections 3 and 4 of the tutorial, you discover how to sculpt the character's head in Blender, and then conduct retopology to enhance the model for game environments, by decreasing the polygon count. Part 5 is dedicated to high poly modeling, and Part 6, centered on UV mapping. Detailed high poly elements are added to the model, and the low poly mesh is unwrapped to enable precise texturing. Transitioning into Substance Painter, Part 7 covers baking high poly details onto low poly mesh, while Part 8 focuses on creating vibrant, realistic textures. Move textures from Substance Painter to Blender in Part 9 of the PBR Materials tutorial to enhance your model, adding depth and enhancing the character's appearance. The course then moves into Rigging and Animation with Part 10. Rigging and Part 11. Skinning, where you create a rig and bind it to your mesh. This sets the stage for Part 12. Animating an idle cycle, and Part 13. Animating a walk cycle, introducing you to the basics of character animation. Finally, Part 14 covers importing into Unity, Part 15 into Unreal, and Part 16 rendering in Blender, providing best practices for exporting characters into game engines and creating a polished render. This course is designed to equip you with a thorough understanding and skill set in 3D character creation, from initial modeling to final rendering and animation. So what are you waiting for? Grab yours now. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, hit that like button and subscribe for more amazing Blender tutorials. Don't forget to ring the bell to get notified about our latest uploads. Share your thoughts in the comments below and join us on the next adventure at Blender Point. Keep blending and see you in the next video.